It's going great. Don't worry. You see? My bed. My blanket. My hair. This is my bedroom. I've been banned.